So what have we got, Callum?
Got some matey bubble bath.
Come round then. You shy? You shy boy. Guess what, guys? We're out with the boat. Join the local model boat club, which is called Signet Boat Club. You get used to this little lake here. See what this little boat can do. See what happens.
All three of us were.
I'm a bit worried.
Yeah.
I'm wet.
The old boat came up.
I was literally on the back of yours and I was like, I backed on and thought,
Good idea.
Don't want to do that, do you?
I think that's a good idea.
we don't hit them boys, you can. They're rock hard. No, those ones are alright. Are they? The yellow ones. It's just the little egg boys that are rock. Yeah, try, you're going to scratch the 46. Carry, take his idea. If we wanted, you've got fruit.
Oh! Boy, don't want to hit that boy. I can't drive it like those guys can. Can't see it.
Why is it going so far out?
I know.
Someone get a run like that. It's hard to it's getting used to the control of it. Goes. Callum's turned over a little go. No doubt Callum would be far better driving it than me. Catch him up, Callum. Can't believe we've got the GPS, guys, otherwise I've been telling you how fast this thing goes, but totally didn't pack it, packed everything else. And the body for the new drag car turned up, and I totally forgot the... Chucks up some water though, doesn't it?
In case you're interested,
It goes, it goes. What do you think then, Callum?
Quite good.
It's more fun than you thought it would be.
oh yeah.
It's the sound and that spray that it chucks up. Oh, watch the geese. No, you don't want to touch these. Are they geese or swans? What do you reckon? They're swans, aren't they?
Yeah.
They'll
What are the
show 'em
brown
up.
ones?
They're the women.
Oh.
The women are the brown and the men are the white ones. The men are the ones you've got to watch. You don't want to upset them because they
They'll
will
come for
attack
you,
you.
yeah.
And they come and peck at you.
It's going lopsided, look.
It's the self-right feature.
What that makes it go the opposite way.
Right. So self-right, it flips upside down, you do it like that, and it comes back again.
Don't stop that, guys, because we're moving the kazoos over here. Well then, and then if we go down with our leg, all the corners released.
It does turn quick though. Did I get you?
No.
Comes the recovery boat.
What are you doing now?
Fly by. I'll probably crash it now.
You probably hit a boy.
Probably will. For you.
That was so funny.
Word of warning, guys. Don't run connectors. I know you don't normally run connectors, but I didn't have any others with the IC5 connector on it. But that was straight. These get stupid hot. And that one's straight, but this one, that's melted. Yeah, wires get very, very hot. Motor's nice and cool. ESC's nice and cool. Batteries. This sucks the life out of them. They're warm. They're the hottest I've ever had the batteries before. This thing sucks the life out of batteries. It really does. Oh my god, that is so hot it's melted the solder. So that's the first run with the Pro Boat SonicWake. Hope you enjoyed that. It's just a little outing today so we'll get used to it. Obviously we'll try and get some more. Does chew through the batteries quick though. 5 to 6 minutes and the packs are done. Did you enjoy it, Callum?
It was alright.
It was alright.
Mm.
Not quite the same as drifting. You prefer a bit of drifting, don't you?
Yeah, prefer drifting, bashing.
So that's where we're going now. Go and do a bit of drifting. We will be back out with the Pro Boat SonicWake. Might even get a big one. Might even get the Blackjack 42. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, guys, what do you have to do, Callum?
You have to subscribe
If you want to see more videos.
if you want to see more.
And don't forget to turn on the notifications, guys. Take care, stay safe. And we'll see you on the next video. Oh, what's up?
Nothing.
You just got up?
No.
No. Hey, just saw we took the boat out for driving the lake. And after you've been in a lake, you've got to clean the boat out. You've got to sanitise it and make sure it's all nice and clean. So what have we got, Callum?
Got some matey bubble bath.
Matey bubble bath. Hey. No doubt the haters are going to turn around and go, can't do that, shouldn't do that. Well, we don't care. It's our bath. Do you think that's enough?
No.
One more?
Yeah.
Well, that's about half the bottle gone. Oh, that smells lovely jubbly.
That's it?
It does. Have a sniff.
So it's like fruity.
Fruity, like bubble gum. Come on. Bubbles. Mix it up a bit more. Don't pull the trigger while I'm doing this. Well, you should have more bubbles than that. Come on. Now we're getting some bubbles.
Now we are.
Might need to put some more in. Give it a little bit more.
Coming out.
Is it all coming out? Are we flooding?
We are a little bit.
We're flooding a little bit. Ah.
Need more bubbles.
Need more bubbles. What do we need?
More bubbles.
More bubbles. Ah, bubbles. 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 Oh, that's woken you up anyway, isn't it?
A little bit.
Bubbles, bubbles everywhere. Oh, it's like my childhood. You're getting me. Right, let's get this out of here.